ViewSonic VP2488-4K review. Real proof Pantone colors finally match for Mac-Creatives. You just spent 3 hours perfecting that brand palette in Photoshop, sent it to the printer, and the physical proof arrived completely wrong. The magenta shifted muddy, the teal looked radioactive, and your client is furious. Last month, you blamed the printer, but deep down, you knew your monitor was lying to you all along. Type betrayed if this happened. When did trusting your screen become gambling? That knot in your stomach every time you hit approve final proof without being certain your colors will translate isn't just stress. It's your workflow screaming for reliability. Generic monitors promise accuracy, then betray you in production. You've researched calibration tools, considered expensive Apple displays, overwhelmed by contradictory advice. What if color confidence was simpler than you think, without adding complexity or breaking budgets? Clarity exists. Then I discovered the ViewSonic VP2488-4K and color anxiety disappeared. Don't just pick any 4K monitor. Make sure it has Pantone validation plus 98% DCI P3 coverage so you never suffer that soul-crushing print doesn't match screen disaster literally everyone complains about again. Within minutes of connecting via Thunderbolt 4, my MacBook Pro was charging, my external SSD recognized, and every pixel rendered with surgical precision at 184 ppi. 7 immediate transformations. Pantone spot colors matched physical swatches flawlessly, eliminating guesswork. 100% sRGB coverage meant web projects previewed exactly as clients see them. That 98% DCI P3 gamut let me edit HDR video knowing colors would pop on modern iPhones and iPads. Factory calibration delivered Delta E under 2 without me lifting a colorimeter. Thunderbolt 4's single cable replaced my messy hub dock charger nightmare, freeing desk space instantly. Pivot to portrait mode became my secret weapon for reviewing full-page layouts and endless code, and 90-watt power delivery kept my MacBook Pro charged during marathon editing sessions. A designer friend working past midnight nearly missed her packaging deadline until this monitor revealed her previous display had been shifting reds. She caught it, fixed it, saved the project. Let me be honest, 24 inches felt small at first until I realized pixel density this high makes everything sharper than my old 27-inch ever was. Comment Pantone if you've been hunting for this. Here's what 3 months revealed. Print proofs that used to require 3 revision rounds now nail it first try because screen-to-print confidence became automatic. Time returned, stress vanished. That certainty compounds into sharper client presentations, fewer costly reprints, and reputation protection. A professional monitor reviewer measured and stated, Delta E values averaged well under 2.0 across multiple color patches, genuinely excellent and competitive with monitors costing significantly more. The Pantone validation holds up under scrutiny. Consistency becomes baseline. A tech publication noted, ViewSonic strategically packaged Thunderbolt 4 high color gamut and Pantone validation into an accessible 24-inch form factor, a compelling alternative to more expensive brands. A photographer shared, the match between my calibrated screen and high-end inkjet prints is the closest I've ever achieved. Printing results have been outstanding. I watched a hybrid teen eliminate color discrepancies across workstations by standardizing on these. Worried about price versus Apple Studio Display? You're getting Pantone validation and 98% DCI P3 at literally half the cost, sacrificing only the Apple logo. The panel performance is equally professional. One small reality, built-in speakers exist but sound tinny, so budget for external audio if sound quality matters to your workflow. Thousands of designers and photographers already made the switch. Which matters more, the brand name or accurate colors that protect your reputation? The ViewSonic VP2488-4K transforms your workflow by eliminating color guesswork, Pantone-validated accuracy, YDCI P3 gamut, and Thunderbolt 4 simplicity in one elegant package. Thousands of creatives and Mac users already rely on it daily for photography, design, and video work. Results may vary based on calibration and ambient lighting. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment. I earn a small commission if you purchase at no extra cost to you. Explore what professional color confidence feels like. You deserve a monitor that tells the truth.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.